Hey, my name's Randy Wittis. This is the shop, and it's got a bunch of stuff in it as usual. 67 Chevelle right there. See it? You guys know that. If you've been watching my videos. And you know that lately we've been doing a lot of stuff. Not so fun. See you in a minute. Ready, set, go. No. Whoopsie. Gonna hurt. And you know what I'm talking about. That's why I'm wearing the shield, is because we're doing grinding, and I got an imprint on my forehead right there. Holy cow. So, we've been, let me turn that light off real quick. Sometime today. There we go. So, I've been grinding for a couple hours, I think. Seems like it. Seems like days. Anyhow, got some grinding done under here. Got a couple little pits I'd like to hit with the welder. That right there. That right there. Up under here we got grinding done, and there's a bunch of pits up underneath there, but maybe I'll weld them. I don't know. It's what to make body filler for, you know. So, gotta change my grinding wheel out. Just had that a minute ago. Yeah, there it is. So, currently I'm working on the door jamb. And this was the non-welded side. That's the welded side. Got a lot of stuff there. Things we gotta fix. Gotta weld that. Weld this area here. I don't know if you even saw it. I think the camera's pointing that way. Anyhow, weld this, that, and up here. So another pit, probably gonna fill that with some weld. And it's funny because my quarter panels didn't have this indentation. I don't know if that's a certain model or just exactly what, but those may disappear. So I'm gonna continue on doing welding and grinding and fun stuff. Okay, well, you saw a lot of sparks flying, and I was in uncomfortable positions, but basically, I think you can see most of it, but knocked the welds down here, these a little bit, these are covered, nobody cares. Clean things up here, here. So, bunch of grinding dust. That's why I had that plastic on my floor. That grinding dust will eat into your floor and make it look really dull. Some spots over here. Anyway, doesn't matter. Okay, so got that side tightened up. Well, yeah, got some stuff here I gotta clean up. Gotta clean up that back side a little bit. So get that done, we'll move over to the other side. Saturday fun day, because it's not Sunday. Well, that was fun. So I've got pretty much all the grinding I needed to do out of the way. There will be more. Yeah. Got all that cleaned up in there, as you saw. And yeah, I sprayed the blue ink on it. Actually did a fiberall light test on the epoxy there. Adhesion was pretty good. Actually, and that primer's been on there for months. And it pulled the primer off. Just like a top layer, not all of it. Well, it did pull some of it off. So I don't know if that's a good thing or not. I mean, it's stuck. It's only on there 30 minutes. But weird copper looking stuff comes from the wire, I guess. Hopefully it doesn't show through the paint. But anyway, all that's ground. Found out, may have forgotten, but this gap's still a little wide. Got to fix that. So like I said, more grinding to come, but we got a lot of it out of the way. So we'll just continue on, and we'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See ya.